for 10.5 laps. Modified, the Pro 1 Offshore C, 93 miles for 8.5 laps. And the Sportsman, Stock, and Production A, 71 miles for 6.5 laps. And those are the laps. And there you see the boats. Little bumpy in spots, waiting for this 1996 Miami Offshore Grand Prix, the third national race for the SBR. Very shortly, we will be going aboard some of our boats with onboard cameras, and there's the first one, zero defect. 2 cameras on board here. We're looking over the shoulder of Leith Farron with an over-the-shoulder camera. Very shortly, we will be seeing a camera that we've never really done before, the angle that we've never done, facing the throttle man. This, of course, is zero defect, the 45-foot Douglas skater powered by 2 915 horsepower Sterling inboards with Merc Cruiser drives. Leith Farron and Lino DiBiase from Milano, Italy, and there is that shot facing the throttle man, Lino DiBiase from Milan, Italy. 2 boats aboard, or rather 2 cameras on board, zero defect. 3 checkered flags in a row, Galveston, Key West, and Fort Myers for this 45-foot Douglas skater. Zero defect racing team has been hot this 1996 racing season. We're aboard Venus Swimwear now, 35-foot motion. Giovanni Vives and Bill Ford aboard. We're going to go listen to some of their conversation right now.
Hey, freeze train.
That was Brady Winslow from Biscayne Helicopter going overhead, our helicopter pilot for today's race. Brady Winslow.
Turn over to the right some, Ben. Hard right. Patriots coming like right at us.
Giovanni Vives and Bill Ford. Now let's listen to Chip Fenn and Rick Felson aboard High Risk.
He's the only guy I know that has lunch in the boat.
High Risk, a 32-foot skater. Brady Winslow going by.
Feels good, doesn't it? A little wind feels good.
Powered by 3 2.5 EFIs. There you see the yellow smoke. We are right on time. All the pace boats for today's race are Apaches. Now you see the lineup. They're beginning to get ready for this 1996 Miami Offshore Grand Prix. We will go with the Super, the Open, the Modified, and the Pro Stock start. As far as the laps are concerned, in the Super Boat, we've got 110 miles, 10.5 laps. Modified Pro 1 Offshore C, 93 miles for 8.5 laps. Sportsman, Stock, and Production A, 71 miles, 6.5 laps. And there you see now them lining up. And very shortly, we'll be going aboard some of these boats here as we get ready for the green flag. We're aboard Zero Defect now. Zero Defect with Leith Farron and Lino DiBiase from Milano, Italy. As you see over the shoulder shot there, onboard camera, you see the pace boat on the right side, getting ready for the green flag just a few moments away. Now we got that shot looking at the throttle man, Lino DiBiase from Milano, Italy. Zero Defect, 45-foot Douglas skater. A great year for the Zero Defect racing team so far. Galveston, Key West, and Fort Myers, checkered flags all back-to-back here in this 1996 racing season. This boat is powered by Sterling inboards, maintained by TNT Custom Marine. There's the throttle man, Lino DiBiase from Milan, Italy. Soon we're going to go on board High Risk and listen to some of the conversation.
Sorry, Charlie. All right, pal, I got the pace boat. He's going to start you fast.
Waiting for the green flag.
Don't try.
Not slowing down. I'm watching it.
Okay.
I don't want to be with it.
Boom.
Where's our pace boat? He's already gone. Where is he? Over to the left a little bit. Where's our pace boat? Don't worry, I got him. You just keep going that way.
Back to our helicopter.